So, apparently, while I was gone for almost 2 months now, there was a new Vocaloid song that released, Cake Girl, and I was seeing it all over YouTube Shorts, okay? And then, everybody were just, like, clowning on it, and I was like, okay, it couldn't be that bad, bro. I bet it's just, like, one of those, boy fish things, whatever, where they're being accused of a fat fish, but no, I actually watched the music video, and I was like, oh my gosh, a content opportunity. I can get so much clout with this. So, here we go. Oh my god. Wait, was she? Why was she just liking her? What? No! But I gotta watch the rest of it. Get that out of my face! Bro, Chacho, she isn't even eating the cake correctly. What are you talking about? If this was created in the medieval times, this definitely would have been like an interrogation or torture method, execution method. Freaky Aishi. I feel like I've been assaulted through my screen. I'm so tired of seeing that I might actually just have to censor it, straight up. Wait, is Ishi doing the 6-7 thing? 6-7. Alright. We just have, I think, 40 more seconds of this. I'll be okay. Huh? What is this implying? Why are they sweating so much, man? What happened? Was Easy tickling Teto's tummy too much or something? Like, what the freak is going on? So, if you disregard how inappropriate the song is, like how not safe for work this song is, even if you disregard that, this song is complete booty cheeks. No pun intended. That harmony near the end, with Teto singing with Yushi, whatever, pretty sure she does that, but it was especially near the end. It wasn't even harmony. It was just complete dissonance. And I'm pretty sure the creator of that song had uploaded an instrumental version, as if anybody was gonna use it. And the art for that, and the art they used in the thumbnail of the instrumental version, it looks like it came from the deepest, darkest pits of DeviantArt. What a gosh green earth is this? I'm so done.